What? Da-na-da-na. I think this could be a thumbnail right here. That's a good color. It's purple. Looks good, buddy. What's up, guys? Greetings and salutations. It is early in the morning. I got Ollie right over here. Look at that, I can do that now. He's doing some coloring. It's pretty solid. He's coloring purple right now, which is awesome. And I am getting ready to head out for a little day of some amateur photography. And we'll get into a little bit more about what that's going to be like in just a bit. But I'm letting Gretchen sleep for a little longer because it was a rough night. Madison was waking up a ton and Oliver woke up extremely early. So I'm just going to continue getting ready and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. What color do I get? Yay! Are you a little monkey?
No, I'm Oliver.
Oh, I should have known. Bye, little girl. See you later. Today is a special day for a couple of reasons. One, it is the first official vlog that I am doing on my new camera. So this is the Canon Sl2 instead of my phone. Image quality should definitely be a whole lot better. Hopefully it is. Let me know down in the comments down below. But another reason is I've just arrived at what is called Oak Openings Metro Park here in Ohio, and we are going to shoot some photos today. I've got a gang of my little photo friends, and it's just like a little gathering of amateur photography. Some of us have a little bit more experience, some of us have none. But the whole point is, if you like to shoot photos, you can get out and do that once a month or twice a month. And that's what we're going to do today. So today should be fun. We're out in the Metro Park going to shoot some nature. So let's go and meet up with them now, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. So we have a beautiful day out here. I don't know if you can see the water behind me. We've got the lake is half frozen back here, which is super, super cool. And we've got some really interesting ice chunks. I don't know if you can see this, but on the water it's just lightly iced. This should make some amazing stuff. I just dropped my water. I'm gonna probably end up falling in this lake. Here's the squad. Here they are. We got Nikki.
Hi.
We got Matt. And then we got the pro.
Daniel.
Showing us all the tips, all the tricks. Gonna make us pros by the end of the day. That's the money back guarantee. Dan, I don't know photography, Kubaki.
All 100% of your money back.
All 100% of your money back.
That's a lot of money.
Dan, he has the wedding photography experience. Matt has the,
None.
electronic processing experience. Not necessarily in photography, but
Could be.
yeah. And Nikki's, what are you bringing to the table today?
I make this look good.
She just makes it look good, guys. I'm doing magic. Water bottle on water.
Nice.
Water on water.
I don't know, guys. I'm stumped.
Oh, Dan. Dun, dun, dun. Stumped.
Stumped.
Ooh, that's a picture and a half.
We need a little turn too.
A picture's worth 1,000 words, and I've got a few. Cluck, cluck, says the Dan. How you feeling, Dan? Your hands cold?
I'm doing good.
You doing better? You doing better? He was a little rough earlier. He was crying, and I said, Dan, it's gonna be okay. We'll get you some gloves. And then he said, I want to go home, and I was like, no, man, you gotta fight through this.
I had to break out for no more tears.
No more tears. And the rest of our squad has left us. But we're in this really awesome forest. Check this out. What? What? How cool is that?
Marco!
Da-na-da-na. I think this could be a thumbnail right here.
Nobody knows what you're saying.
She says something about a bench. I think she's found the bench. Maybe it's the secret, the official spot. We've lost Nikki. She's gone. She's gone. This is slowly turning into Blair Witch 2, 3, or 4. However many of those there were. We're shooting it. We'll shoot it right through here. Dan, run right through this. Run frantically through these branches. Ah! I am so scared. This tree was electrified. I can't get out. The forest is so dense. Oh wow, this is so cool though. Matt, I don't care what people say. You look like you know what you're doing.
I do. I have no idea what I'm doing.
So many trees.
No idea.
Guys, did you guys see that tree?
Which one?
The one tree.
That one. If you guys want to stay out here, I can head back. That's cool too.
And that's how people get left in the forest. He's like, yeah, I've led you to this place. I have to go.
Bye.
Guys, wouldn't it be funny if we made a Blair Witch 3 out here? Bye, guys.
See you later.
Yeah.
What they didn't know is I was already making a blue. Guys, it's getting kind of spooky in here. What's that noise?
When did it become nighttime?
Who stole my phone?
Why are we going this way though? Is there something cool?
There's around here. There's the dunes. That's what I'm saying. It's like,
Oh.
they should be at the top of the.
Are you sure?
They're at you go up on the right hand side of you on one of the trails. It's off to the side, and then it levels off. There's benches, and you can sit it's real sunny.
I have this feeling that there's no dunes over here, and that we were sent on this wild goose chase, and our only hope of making it out of here is leaving us. Bye, Dan.
Bye, Dan.
Bye. He's just running through the forest, shouting, over here! He keeps going in every which direction. He starts off one way, cuts across the forest, running.
No, dude.
He's now going back towards the way we came.
Why do we trust you?
Okay.
One just hit me in the head and hit me in the stomach. That was a terrible idea.
Have you guys ever seen a murder of crows?
No.
It's so scary.
Is a murder like a unit of measure for
Yeah,
an
that's
amount?
That's what I've
One-
learned.
One murder of birds,
A
please.
large group of crows is called a murder of crows.
Alright, supposedly Nikki says it is true that a large group of crows is called a murder of crows.
It's very
So that's the fun fact of the day. If it's true, Google it and let us know. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed. I didn't know today when I woke up. I said I didn't say I want to see some dunes, but then I got really hyped up on these dunes.
Like,
we never saw.
Are these dunes? Is this beach sand that looks like someone emptied out their son's toy or sandbox out here? No, this better not be the dunes. Better not be the dunes. Dan, you really let us down. We wanted to see the dunes. Alright y'all, thanks for coming, this was so fun. We made it back to the car. I'm beat. That was a long walk. It's been about 3.5, 4 hours. And it was a great first day for all of us to really get out there and shoot some photos. And I'm really pumped for this little photography club group, whatever you want to call it, that we're doing. Man, it's just tons of fun to just get out there and be in nature and just, you know, fellowship with friends and stuff. So this was a blast. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to go home and have some lunch, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Whoop.